What's up guys, Mirafuentes here. Welcome to a brand new series called Critique.art. Today's video is all about Joseph Ducreux's famous self-portrait painting called the Yawning. So sit back and relax. The Yawning is a famous self-portrait painting of the artist Joseph Ducreux that he created on 1783. The art depicts the artist himself yawning, which is pretty unusual for a self-portrait painting during that time. The artwork shows a feeling of depth or being three-dimensional. This illusion is called space in the art world. The space that can be observed in this painting are the positive space, which is the artist himself since he is the subject, and his surrounding as the negative space. We can also observe that instead of standing straight, he is slightly curved, which translates to a curved line that conveys energy. It also gives a softening effect to the overall composition of the artwork. The diagonal lines that can be seen as wrinkles on his coat represents instability of the object that will provide different wrinkles depending on his pose. And lastly, the contrast of the painting is well done, that the value and intensity of colors are well distributed throughout the subject to help achieve the illusion of being three-dimensional. And that concludes our episode for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope that you learned something new. And if you do, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming new episodes. Peace out.
Be a person you don't want. Can somebody take me other thing? Going to do? Where is a life